The Golden Age of Exploration lasted from 1400 to 1700. During this time, many European explorers traveled to the New World seeking trade, routes, treasure, and territory for their country. European countries such as England, Portugal, Spain, France, and Italy sent men to find trade routes to the New World. European exploration included Africa, Asia, and the Americas. The explorers were to claim the new lands for their country and conquer anyone living on those lands. Many spice and silk trading companies were searching for new trade routes to India and China. They believed a quicker, shorter trade route would result in enormous wealth. Christopher Columbus, an explorer and navigator, was born in Genoa, Italy in 1451. His famous voyage led to the colonization of America. The people of Europe wanted to establish a new, quicker trade route with China. Columbus believed that he could find a route by sailing west from Europe until he reached China. Columbus made a total of 4 voyages to the Americas. In 1492, 3 ships named the Nina, Pinta, and Santa Maria set sail to China with Columbus and 90 other men. Instead of reaching China, he first reached the Bahamas. Columbus thought that he had reached the Indies, so he called the local native people Indians. His voyages included landing in Cuba, the island of Hispaniola, Puerto Rico, Jamaica, Venezuela, and Central America. The land that Columbus discovered was called the New World by Europeans. Most historians believe Henry Hudson was born in England sometime around 1565. He is best known for exploring Canada and the northeastern United States. Henry Hudson was the first European to explore the Arctic Ocean. He was trying to find a northwest passage to China. His voyages provided valuable maps and information for future explorers of North America. The Muscovy Company hired Hudson in 1607 to find a northern passage to Asia. Henry believed he could find a passage to Asia via the North Pole. The goal of his voyages was to find an ice-free passage that provided a shorter route to Asia. Cartographers or map makers believed that all the ice would melt and Hudson could sail over the top of the world in the summer. Hudson made a total of 4 voyages. Unfortunately, he never found a northwest passage. Although he did not find one, 3 waterways in North America were named after him: the Hudson Strait, Hudson Bay, and the Hudson River. Juan Ponce de Leon was born in 1474 in Spain. After hearing rumors of gold and fertile land, one of the first places Ponce de Leon helped to discover was Puerto Rico. While exploring the new lands, his expedition encountered several fierce battles with the natives. He first set foot on Florida's land in 1513. He named one of the islands La Florida because of the lush vegetation. Ponce de Leon discovered Florida around Easter time, which the Spanish called Pascua Florida. Juan and his men thought that Florida was a huge island. At the time, they did not realize they were in North America on the mainland. Many believe that Ponce de Leon was searching for the Fountain of Youth. In Florida, the water from a mystical fountain was supposed to make people young again after drinking or bathing in the water. Historians say there is little evidence that finding the Fountain of Youth was actually his goal. The Fountain of Youth was never mentioned in the writings of Ponce de Leon. Hernán Cortés was born in Medellín, Spain in 1485. Hernán Cortés heard of the discoveries of Christopher Columbus and became inspired. In 1504, Cortés took the long voyage to Hispaniola to seek fortune in the New World. He first arrived on the island of Hispaniola, where he stayed for 5 years. In 1511, Cortés set out on an expedition to conquer Cuba. In 1519, Cortés claimed land in Mexico called the Yucatan Peninsula for Spain. He had 11 ships, 500 men, horses, and cannons. He heard rumors about the gold and treasures of the Aztec Empire. He wanted to conquer the Aztecs, steal their treasures, and take the riches to Spain. Eventually, the Aztec Emperor Montezuma II agreed to meet with Cortés and gave his men gifts of gold even though he did not trust Cortez. Montezuma believed that Cortez may be the god Quetzalcoatl in human form. By 1521, Cortez overthrew Montezuma. 2. Ruler of the Aztec Empire. Francisco Vázquez de Coronado was born in Spain in 1510. In 1535, he traveled to New Spain, present-day Mexico. He heard rumors of the seven golden cities or the golden cities of Cibola, located to the north. His expedition headed north along the western coast of Mexico.